What is the thing in your life which is not perfect?
My boxing program, yeah, I'm not getting a lot of interest at the moment.
Okay, so you have a boxing program. It's about boxing and trauma for women, right? Is that the one you mean? Or?
Yeah, general like confidence, empowerment, not necessarily trauma.
Okay, great. Confidence empowerment for women boxing program, and you want more people on it.
Yeah.
So let's give you some good ideas, and then at the end of it, you can decide, okay, which of those ideas do I want to take forward? And none of them you have to do. So it's really just like we'll brainstorm a load of ideas using the body to kind of move through different possibilities, create different ways, perspectives, different ways of looking at it. Okay. So let's do earth first of all. So let's do a kind of a squat. Put your feet on the ground. We've got a lot of sort of wood and earth in this environment. So pay attention to the greens and browns. And let's do this with your hands, a kind of box shape. How are you this embodiment generally? Taking a bit of work to keep you here.
Okay, yeah. I mean, it's reminding me of going to the gym, but that's about it.
So you know how you kind of want to giggle? Don't. Okay, how can you take this more seriously?
Challenge.
Yeah, how would you take it? I'm going to throw a few questions at you, just answer any that are interesting. So how can you take this marketing more seriously? Okay, do this. Slow and methodical. Exact distance. And back, exact spacing. What kind of structures and systems do you need in place?
I feel like maybe I could do with some more knowledge around marketing.
Okay, some more knowledge around marketing. Learn some things, yeah?
Like a course.
A course. Get on a course. Okay, let's loosen up. So soften up. Remember the lake we were at earlier? And so not this, but this. Is it okay if I touch?
Yeah.
Yeah? So it's sort of...
Okay.
You feel the difference?
Yeah.
Before you were like, woo! This is a bit more here. Yeah, so...
Cool.
What do you need to let in, receive? So, what do you need to let in to fill up this boxing course? Palms forwards, soften the jaw. Look at me. What do you need to let in? Palms forwards. There we go.
Fun?
Fun. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Letting some fun around it.
Yeah.
Okay. One more. It's all right if I hold your arms from behind.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
All right. So send me yes before. Feel that? Give me a weight.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let go. Okay. What do you need to let go of here?
My standards.
Okay. Oh, your standards. Okay. That sounded like a light bulb. That one. What was that? Tell me that one.
It's just like expectations and standards, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Is that getting in the way of the marketing at the moment? Then, yeah.
Maybe expecting too much too soon.
Okay, expecting too much too soon. So it might be, letting go of these expectations around this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great. And is there anyone you need to ask for help around this? Give me a bit of receiving kind of vibe.
I feel like I'm already doing that. I've asked a few people and stuff, I think. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a bit of fire. That'll warm us up. Okay, let's put 1 foot forwards. So let's do a warrior pose. Let's get like a fierce warrior pose. Looking forwards, focusing. Okay, what do you need to just fucking get done? You need to get on with it.
I need to do some taste classes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Right, definite. Point. What's your target here? What do you need to fucking just go, right, that's the goal. That's what we're doing.
I just need to start smashing some classes and letting people see what I do.
Okay, great. Show me your boxing stance. Okay, punch. Yeah, hit my hands, not me, just so we're clear. Yeah, great, go. Great, bit fiercer. What if you're fighting for your life? Okay, what if you're fighting for someone you love? Okay, all right, enough. What do you need to just fucking fight here? What's the battle here?
I think just kind of getting out there and doing it, I think.
Okay, just getting out there and doing it.
Yeah, like, really going for it and letting people see what I do. Maybe that's the battle, like letting go of that.
Letting people see what you do.
Yeah.
So it's a bit out of the model, but let's do a taking up space pose. It's not in the 4 elements model so much, but how's that?
Yeah, yeah.
You're on camera too, so everyone can see you.
Yay!
Still breathing?
Yeah.
Good work?
Yeah.
How's that
Being
feel?
out in nature doing it is a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, it's probably kind of nice eco-regulation doing it.
Yeah.
How can you use that?
Like, use this pose? Like,
No. Use nature to make it more comfortable.
I mean, I could do some classes outside. I could do some taste classes outside, couldn't I?
Okay. If that makes it more comfortable for you, then why
Yeah.
not? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me your hand. Do a little twirl. Do a little bit of air now.
Oh, I'm enjoying this.
Now you can laugh if you want. I mean, I don't mind now. So, okay, so how can we take this marketing less seriously? Have a little bit of... I feel like I'm like some sort of Spanish classical... How can you get, like, look up the space, look at all the air and all the space up here, look into the treetops. How can we take it less seriously or lighten up around it?
Like fun, like, you know, just being me. I guess
Being
bringing
you.
me to it,
Being
you know,
you.
colour, fun.
Bring some colour and
I'm
fun
gonna
to it.
laugh. Yeah.
You didn't see I squeezed the nose. What is air teaching you about this?
That it really doesn't have to be so serious.
Doesn't have to be so serious.
Yeah.
Okay, find your centre. Lots of ideas. Any that stick in your mind?
Taste classes outside.
Taste the classes outside. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other light bulbs? That's more than enough, but
Yeah, I mean, yeah. No, I think that's it. And just like doing them.
doing them.
Yeah.
There's
I
the
think the
just
other
do
light-
it energy as
but-
well, right?
It is, but the other light bulb actually was the course thing. Because
Okay.
when I noticed something click when I was going like this.
Yeah.
Because I find this very boring and I
Yes.
feel really resistant.
That was the hardest one for me to keep you in as a coach. I had to kind of work quite hard, and she kept kind of giggling a lot, which makes me think it's quite airy, right?
Yeah.
So, what was the breakthrough with this?
The course, like, you know, it's okay. And that's kind of like asking for help as well, I guess. It's like, it's okay to do like a little bit of training on marketing and stuff and business. And I just felt like myself embodying that, you know, getting some facts, some knowledge when I did that movement.
Okay, so I could get, you know, if we were going into conventional coaching, it'd be like, okay, what course are you going to do, holding her accountable, making sure it happens, all the normal stuff. But I think that is plenty to idea for today, so thank you so much, George.
Okay.